For 3B, we're going to be starting to review the sine diagram from the Year 11 course. This time we've been given the first derivative in our example 1.18. So we need to take from it the key points, remembering the two things that go on a sine diagram are our x-intercepts and our vertical asymptotes. So from the numerator, we're going to have x-intercepts equal to plus 1 and not minus 1, and our vertical asymptotes are going to be equal to 0 because x squared gives us a repeated root. So on our sine diagram we label what it is that we're working with and we place them in order. So 0 would be the central point, which we give with our dashed line. Then we look at the identity of plus 1 and minus 1, trying to work to some sort of scale if possible. And from there we're identifying where our graph is positive, where our graph is negative. So there's a few alternatives to how we can do that. The first one being just simply substituting numbers in. So if we let x equal 10, we would have 11 times 9 being a positive number divided by a positive number, so our result would be positive. The alternative to that is if we work with the function of f dashed of x, so we place that in as x plus 1, x minus 1 divided by x squared, remembering this is the first derivative function. We're going to end up with a vertical asymptote at 0. Our graph value, which we checked already, is positive after 1, negative between 0 and 1, negative between 0 and negative 1, and positive to the left of that negative 1 value. So those values can go into our sine diagram. Correctly labelled will be what we're looking for the first derivative sine diagram.